Enjoy your dinner. It's good. I don't want to do this. Not yet. A little bit.
Ready, set, go.
I'm like shaking. No.
I can do it.
No, I got it. I don't know if I got it.
Here, let me do it. I can do it.
Alright, fine.
3, 2, 1, go on 3.
Go lower, go lower. You gotta go on my thigh.
Okay, my hand?
Mm-hmm.
And I just press it?
No, you gotta hit it. Like, hit it. Take it out and hit it.
Are you sure?
Yes!
Stupid. This is not even undone yet. You gotta take the thing off.
I do that every time.
What the hell? And then what happens?
Now it's good. Now hit it.
Oh my gosh.
Ow! That one hurt like way more than usual.
I don't even think you're supposed to do it like that.
Oh.
Are we done? Okay. Don't do that to me again.
It wasn't my fault. I just got poisoned at dinner. Yum.
I think you already knew that. He said except for these nuts. Really do.
Yeah, now my face is really red.
There's so much wrong with him.
Here are some pro tips on how to use an EpiPen properly from a board-certified allergist. It's something you should be reviewing on a regular basis so that you don't waste time in a situation that could be potentially life-threatening. So this medication does not work unless you take the safety off. So blue is to the sky, and then orange goes to the outer thigh, and it can go through clothing. You don't have to pull your pants down for this to work. So you literally just hold it for 3 seconds, release, and rub the leg for about 10 seconds. Now, if you use epinephrine, you should be talking with your doctor about what is the plan afterwards. Do you need to go to the emergency room or not? The medication itself is not necessarily what's concerning. It's the reaction that you're treating. You may need multiple doses and be monitored closely. Whenever you use epinephrine, it is also a good idea to lay on your back and raise your legs up to help return blood back to the heart to help prevent something called anaphylactic shock from occurring. Now, for some people who are afraid of needles, there's now a needle-free alternative. It's a nasal spray called Neffy that just came out for people 66 pounds and above. That's something you can talk to your doctor about. There are multiple ways to get epinephrine now for people in case they experience a life-threatening allergic reaction known as anaphylaxis.